Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you are safe and secure at home. Home, stay safe. Today, Social Studies S7 revision classes. Earth. Chapter are Earth. We live on the earth along with millions of other animals, plants and microorganisms. Yes, the earth is our home. Yes, we live on the earth, not only human beings, along with millions of animals, plants and microorganisms. It's the only planet, earth is only planet known have an atmosphere containing free oxygen, oceans of water, mountains, forests on its surface, and of course life. But our reckless exploitation of the earth has meant the destruction of forests, rivers, hills, fellow animals and even fellow humans also. This has resulted environmental crisis. Environmental crisis means global warming and poisoning of our soil, water and air. This is one more important question. Scientists have figured out that the stars are actually part of larger group of stars called galaxies. Galaxy means a group of stars. Galaxy means, what is meant by galaxy? One mark important question. What is meant by galaxy? Galaxy means group of stars. So there are millions of such galaxies in the universe. So the universe itself started some 13.7 billion years ago. Universe started 13.7 billion ago. The universe itself started some 13.7 billion years ago with a Big Bang. Big Bang means, Big Bang explain how the universe began. Big Bang explain how the universe began. Topic, page number 5, internal structure of the earth. This is very important 4 marks question. The earth is made up of 3 main layers: crust, mantle, core. Crust, mantle, core. So first one, crust. We live on the outer part of the earth, which is called crust. So while the crust was boiling in a molten form, the lighter particles cooled at the top and formed the layer of crust. The crust mostly consists of various kinds of rocks. This layer goes up to a depth of 100 kilometers. Next one, mantle. While the earth was boiling in a molten form, the less heavier particles settled in the middle. Here, settled in the middle and formed the mantle. This layer consists mainly of chemicals called silicates. So it exists at the depth from 100 to 2900 kilometers. Next one, core. While the earth was boiling in a molten form, the heaviest substance formed core. It is composed of dense and heavy substances like iron and nickel. It exists at the depth from 2900 kilometers to 6376 kilometers. It can be divided into 2 sub-layers, outer core and inner core. So, outer core, this layer is composed of liquid. Outer core, this layer is composed of liquid metallic material like nickel and iron. So it is 2900 to 5100 kilometers thickness. Next, inner core. The solid inner core is made up of iron compounds and heavy substances like gold. So it is 5100 to 6000 376 kilometers thickness. In the early 20th century, a German meteorologist and geophysicist Alfred Wegener introduced the theory of continental drift to describe and partially explain the present arrangement of continents and oceans. Who introduced the theory of continental drift? Alfred Wegener. This is 1 mark important question. Wegener hypothesized that the supercontinent of Pangaea broke up two forms, Laurasia or Angara land and Gondwana land. Laurasia or Angara land and Gondwana land. Gondwana land present South America, Africa, India, Arabia and etc. So these two blocks were separated by long shallow inland sea called Tetsy Sea. Next one, latitudes. Some imaginary lines drawn on the globe. Some imaginary lines drawn on the globe run from west to east. These are called latitudes. One imaginary line divides the globe into two equal parts. This is called latitude. 0 degrees latitude, equator. Equator is 0 degrees latitude. Equator divides the globe into two equal parts. Here North Pole and South Pole. North Pole 90 degrees northern latitude. South Pole 90 degrees southern latitudes. 0 degrees latitude to North Pole northern hemisphere. 0 degrees equator to South Pole southern hemisphere. Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere. So 23.5 degrees northern latitude, the Tropic of Cancer. The Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degrees northern latitude. The Tropic of Capricorn, 23.5 degrees southern latitude. Here 66.5 degrees northern latitude, Arctic Circle, 66.5 degrees northern latitude. Antarctic Circle, 66.5 degrees southern latitude. These all are important latitudes. Equator 0 degrees, Tropic of Cancer, Arctic Circle, North Pole, Tropic of Capricorn, Antarctic Circle, South Pole. Longitudes. Next one, longitude. 0 degrees longitude is called prime meridian or Greenwich meridian. There are 360 longitudes. We organize the main longitudes into two groups. 0 degrees to 180 degrees going east, which are the eastern longitudes, and 0 degrees to 180 degrees going west, which are the west longitudes. So the longitudes directly opposite to 0 degrees longitudes is called the anti-meridians. So the eastern longitudes from eastern hemisphere, the western longitudes are western hemisphere. So remember, latitudes and longitudes are imaginary lines. So what are latitudes? What are longitudes are 1 mark important questions. The world is divided into 24 time zones. The world is divided into how many zones? 25 zones. So some countries choose the time along one of the meridian that pass through their territory and follow the time of that meridian for the whole country. This is called standard time. For example, India is Indian Standard Time, IST. IST means Indian Standard Time. For Pakistan is Pakistan Standard Time. So, to avoid the confusion of time, from one place to other, 82 degrees 30 minutes eastern longitude is taken as standard meridian of India and serves as the Indian Standard Time, IST. IST means Indian Standard Time. The exact difference between Greenwich and IST is 5.5 hours. Lesson, the natural realms of the Earth lithosphere. In this lesson, 1 mark and 2 mark important questions. What are the natural realms of the Earth? There are 4 natural realms of the Earth: lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. What is lithosphere? 1 mark important question. What is lithosphere? Lithosphere is solid crust or the hard top of a part of the earth. It is made up of rocks and minerals and covered with thick layer of soil. Lithosphere is solid crust or the hard top part of the earth. Next, what is mean by hydrosphere? Hydrosphere, realms of the water is called hydrosphere. The realms of water is called hydrosphere. Next, third one, what is atmosphere? The thin layer of air that surrounds the earth is called atmosphere. So it consists of large number of gases including oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, water vapor and etc. Which are called first order landforms. Which are called first order landforms? 1 mark important question. So, the primary divisions of the earth crust into oceans and continents. The primary divisions of the earth crust into oceans and continents. Oceans and then there are the continents. These are continents as first order landforms are the primary divisions of the earth crust into oceans and continents. Next, which are called second order landforms? Which are called second order landforms? Landforms like mountains, plains, plateaus are called second order landforms. Next important 1 mark question, plate tectonics. One plate is pushed under the mantle while the other plate is pushed up to form a chain of mountains. This movement of plates is called plate tectonics. Plate tectonics means the movement of massive base of rocks, that is plates, is called plate tectonics. Next, third order landforms. Shaping of landforms by wind and water is called third order landforms. So the shaping of landforms such as valleys, curved mountains, deltas and sand dunes, etc. by wind and water are called third order landforms. Work of water. Many landforms are formed due to the work of the river. They are V-shaped valleys. V-shaped valleys. The flow of river is very speed as it descends the steep slopes and it exerts a great force in cutting the mountain vertically. As a result, a deep valley develops, narrow at the bottom and wide at the top. This is called V-shaped valleys. Next, gorges. Next, gorge. Where the rocks are very hard, the river cuts a narrow valley with steep sides called gorges. For example, the Bison Gorge in Andhra Pradesh on the Godavari river and Indus Gorge in Kashmir are example gorges. Next, canyon. A deep valley with steep like slopes and is wider at its top than at the bottom is called canyon. A deep valley with steep like slopes is wider at its top than at the bottom is called canyons. Meanders. Meanders. Meanders as a result of deposition by floods, the riverbed becomes too high. The river constantly changes its course and cuts new path and forms gentle snake like meanders. Next one more question. What are mushroom rocks? Page number 24. Winds erode the lower section of the rocks more than the upper part. They are therefore such as rocks have narrow bottom and wider top. They looks like mushrooms, so they are called mushroom rocks. Then hydrosphere. In this lesson, 1 mark and 2 mark important questions. First one, what is meant by hydrological cycle? Water goes through a cycle from oceans to land and then from land to the oceans. So this cyclic process is called hydrological cycle. There are 6 stages in the water cycle: evaporation, transportation, condensation, precipitation, runoff and groundwater. Page number 29, relief of the ocean. The ocean basin are in many ways similar to the land surface. Ocean floor is divided into 4 parts. First one, continental shelf and continental slope, deep sea plains and oceanic deep trenches. So what is meant by continental shelf? The border zone between land and sea with depth up to 200 meters is called continental shelf. What is meant by continental shelf? The border zone between land and sea with depth up to 200 meters is called continental shelf. Next, page number 32. What is meant by isohelines? A line joining the points in the ocean having the same degree of salinity. This is called isohelines. Next, in this lesson, you have to read page number 32, ocean currents, and page number 33, ocean as a resource, and ocean temperature, ocean currents, and ocean as a resource. Atmosphere. In this lesson, important questions. Atmosphere. What is meant by atmosphere? The thin layer of air that surrounds the earth is atmosphere, or the atmosphere is a sea of gases surrounding the earth. So in this lesson, important question is discuss the structure of the atmosphere along with diagram. So page number 38. On the basis of the chemical composition, the atmosphere is divided into 2 broad layers. They are homosphere and heterosphere. So in this lesson, this is 4 mark important question along with diagram. Next, page number 42. What is meant by Coriolis effect? Coriolis effect. Because of the impact of Earth rotation on its own axis, the wind moves slightly to the right towards east in the northern hemisphere and to the left, that is towards the west in the southern hemisphere. This effect is called Coriolis effect. This is 1 mark important question. Next, page number 43. Classification of winds. Classification of winds. This is important question. Children, page number 44. Box questions are there. Box. Hot local winds and cold local winds. You have to read hot local winds and cold local winds. Next to page number 45, weather and climate. Weather and climate. These two words, weather and climate, are very important concept in geography. What is meant by weather? When we describe the condition of the atmosphere for small period of time, about 10 days at most, we have talking about weather. Weather can change daily even within a day. But climate is description of the average atmospheric condition for specific area over a long period of time. So this is called climate. Next, in this lesson you have to read types of rainfalls. Page number 47, types of rainfalls. On the basis of their origin, rainfall may be classified in three main types: conventional rainfalls, orographic rainfalls, and cyclonic rainfalls. Sixth lesson, agriculture in India. Types of farming. Agriculture is a primary activity which includes growing crops, fruits, vegetables, flowers, and rearing of livestock. So it is an old economic activity. In our country at present, different farming systems are practiced across the country. Depending upon the geographical conditions, demand of produce, labor, and level of technology, following can be classified into two types: subsistent farming and commercial farming. Subsistent farming type of farming is practiced in meet the need of the farmer's family. It can be further classified as primitive simple subsistence farming is classified into two: primitive substensive farming and intensive substance farming. Next one, commercial farming. In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared or sold in the market. Modern inputs such as high yielding variety HYVE seeds, chemical fertilizers, and insecticides and pesticides are used to obtain higher productivity. Next, cropping seasons in India. In this topic, you learn about 3 cropping seasons in India, from food grains, spices, oil seeds, fruits, and vegetables to commercial crops like tea, coffee, and sugarcane. India has 3 cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif, Zaid. So this is also 1 mark or 2 mark important questions. Cropping seasons. India has 3 cropping seasons: Rabi, Kharif, and Zaid. Next question, page number 62. Food crops other than grains. So food grains, food crops other than grains, that are sugarcane, oil seeds, tea, coffee, and horticulture crops. Next, non-food crops. Non-food crops means rubber, fiber, cotton, next jute, etc. are non-food crops. Next, non-food crops. Give examples of food grains and non-food grains. Food grains includes cereals such as rice, wheat, jowar, bajra, maize, ragi, barley, and small millets, pulses, grams, red gram, and other pulses. Next, non-food grains. Non-food grains includes oil seeds such as groundnut, sesame, next mustard, castor seeds, and sunflower, etc. So give examples of food grains and non-food grains is 1 mark or 2 mark important question. In this lesson, what is a minimum support price? Improve your learning question and answers question. What is minimum support price? The minimum support price is price at which the farmers can sell their grains if they want to the government. That is called minimum support price. How many cropping seasons are there? What are they? Next, 1 mark important question. How many cropping seasons are there? What are they? There are 3 cropping seasons: Kharif, Rabi and Zaid. Page number 68. The effect of the Green Revolution. The effect of Green Revolution: increase in production and environmental effects and water problems. So, these all are 1 mark, 2 mark or 4 mark important question. At the same time, you have to read, improve your learning question and answers. Thank you.